On a peaceful afternoon in a home filled with love, 7-year-old Ahyaan sat near the window with the Qur'an open on his lap. Watching him with wide eyes were his little brother Zayyan and their cousin Alina, both just 4 years old.
الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. Wow, you read so fast.
I've been practicing for a long time.
I can't read like that.
It's okay, you're still learning.
The letters look all mixed up. They don't stay still. Sometimes they look wiggly to me too.
When I was 4, I didn't know how to read either.
You didn't? Nope. I used to mix up ba and ta all the time.
Ba and Ta do look like cousins. What's this one?
That's alif. It's the first letter.
Alif. Alif. You did it!
But I can't read the whole line.
You don't have to read the whole line today.
When you build blocks, do you build the whole tower in 1 second? No, I build one block at a time. Exactly. The Qur'an is the same, one letter at a time. Can you help me?
Of course, that's what big brothers are for.
I want to learn too!
Ba, 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 da.
Da. Da.
I can't do it. Yes, you can. Listen again. Alif. Alif.
You did it, Zayyan!
I did.
That day, Ahyaan learned that knowing how to read the Qur'an was a blessing, but helping someone else learn, that was an even bigger one. And as the afternoon light filled the room, one big brother and 2 little learners took their beautiful steps forward, one letter, one smile, one shining heart at a time.